Those D minor chords are sometimes harder for me than bar chords. But Heart Attack on Vine, it's by Tom Waits. I didn't really know Tom Waits all that well, but in hearing songs that I liked and then later looking them up to play, I discovered so often that it was Tom Waits. So I end up probably doing his songs as much as any, Tom Waits being another one. Great songwriter, but his songs were not palatable or whatever for radio play. So, D minor chords. You'll probably see somebody you know on Heart Attack on Vine. Ponies high on China White, shorty found a punk. You know there ain't no devil, that's just God when he's drunk. Well, the stuff will probably kill you, let's do another line. What you say, you meet me down on Heart Attack on Vine. See that little Jersey girl in the see-through top with a pedal pusher sucking on a soda pop. Well, I bet she's still... Fuck. God damn it.